Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. Our today's recipe is monsoon special, popular Indo-Chinese street food mushroom Manchurian. This is a fantastic dish for all mushroom lovers. It is such an interesting dish that even kids would love it. This Manchurian recipe is one of the best way to gauge this vegetable. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I highly recommend using fresh and tender mushrooms for this recipe. In a bowl, take 4 tablespoons of refined flour and then add 3 tablespoons of corn flour into it. Generally, mushrooms are tender and moist inside. So I have added more corn flour to the batter, making it stiff and firm. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of normal chili powder along with half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. It's time to add ginger garlic paste, tomato sauce, ketchup and some water. Mix all together into a thick batter. Look at this consistency. Now we are going to add mushroom pieces. Mushroom is a rich source of protein and vitamin D. Mix them very well. Do not keep this mixture for a long time. I forgot to add turmeric. Before starting the marination, I kept the oil for heat. Add the mushroom mixture in the oil. Do not overload mushrooms into the oil. Fry them on medium flame till they become crispy. Take them on paper towel and continue the process. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add cumin seeds and ajwain. Adding ajwain in fried food is good for digestion. Now add finely chopped garlic into it. Once garlic is done, add roughly chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Here I have taken yellow and red capsicum. You can use any color of your choice. Saute these vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes and then cook by covering it. Vegetables should be crunchy, so do not overcook them. Add salt as required. Now it's time to add spring onions along with whites. Now slowly add corn flour slurry into it. Now it's time to add sauces like soya sauce, chili sauce and tomato ketchup. Here I did not add Ajinomoto to my dish. If you prefer, you are most welcome to add it. Mix them well and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add fried mushrooms. Without adding any food color, here I am adding little more Kashmiri red chili powder. Cover and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. In the end, I am going to add little more pepper powder to make it spicy. Mix it well and switch off the flame. This Manchurian is a perfect snack or appetizer for occasions like kitty party and picnics. Garnish this delicious delicacy with spring onions and serve it hot to your loved ones. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.